Good morning. Good morning, Patrick here, PCTV. We're at the Route 66 Cruiser Reunion, and there's Mark Goodacre right there. Good morning, Mark.
Patrick.
Lots of cars already here. Looks like the show is filled up pretty quick. I got here a little late. Hopefully I still got a place to park. Nice Impala over here. I said this is really a GM show. Probably Volkswagen too. But I would say 70% of the cars here are probably GM. A couple of nice Mopars here and there. Got a Ranchero. Looking like, is this a Coronet? Not sure. Yeah, it's a Coronet. Oh, I know this Nova. I shot him at Dana Point. He's 800 horsepower. Just crazy. So yeah, a lot of good stuff out here. Coronet 500 right there. Got their ECFs going. I'm trying to make my way over to our camp. Now look at that, representing. What's up? Running a PCTV sticker and everything, brother. Good to see ya.
What's going on, buddy?
Haven't seen you since Dana Point.
It's
Man,
good.
you came rolling by last night. I go, I know who that is.
Were you here last night?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I brought the bug, obviously.
You gonna be up there?
Yeah, I'm gonna be up by the Ferris wheel.
I'll come by.
Okay, cool.
All right,
Good,
man,
great to
good to
see
see
you. All right, take care. I love that. Sporting a PCTV sticker. Did a huge video for him. Look at this F100. Sucker is on the rails. Not even on the rails, it's on the rockers. Well, that's always great to see channel supporters out here. There's Eddie. I'm seeing people already. Take a look at this 3100 over here. So yeah, we're just kind of doing a little cruise through handheld. Hopefully I'll be able to get on the back of the Alley Cat, but man, it is packed. I can see why Alley Cat was concerned about getting me a spot. So let's go ahead and get over here. Hopefully there's still a spot for me. We're gonna find out here in a minute. Of course, the crowd is around Alley Cat and all the rat rods. Yeah, they're still pulling in stuff. There's room out here. So yeah, let me get parked and we'll get going through the day here. All right, we're here. We have got ourselves a crowd. Good morning. Oh, it's the Woody Diz. Oh my God. Look at that. It's Barbara. Abraham's here. We got Dean looking at his phone. We got Alley Cat. We got Otis. Nice Camaro. Yeah, it's a good way to start the day. It's not super crowded yet. We can go cruise if we want to. So yeah, we've got a pretty good crowd here. We got the Mordor here. Dean Zelko. Got my bug. Got a good reception last night. Look at this lineup, man. Wow. Coronet 500. Mark's here. El Toxico. Very sweet. Good crowd. Look at this Jeep. Out of control. That Coronet 500. I'm not sure what year this is. Yes, sir. Yeah, I almost got. I was only standing here. Look at this. It's a Kaiser 51. Sporting a forklift engine. Oh, there we go. I can video this guy. Sweet. 66. Nice 10. 67. Small window. Sporting a Yeti. Get a look down the street here. I I tell you what, my bug just rips. Here's Doug's El Camino. And there's my bug Amino. Look at this. Saw it last night. Ford Country sedan. Surf wagon extraordinaire. Cadillac with a blower. 61. Oh, that's a 60, I'm sorry. 32. Walking around the show here. Now this is our group coming up here. Man, look at the stack on this sucker. Crazy. I would say this is Pro Street. Brodix heads. Unbelievable 67 Chevelle right here. Look at the stance of tires on this bitch. Oh man. Alright. Look at this guy. What's up? Yeah. There ain't anybody in here. Robert Maldonado. Great guy. 6'4" here. Yeah, so here's our group. Hemrod. Robert's part of our group now. We got Eddie. We got Ace. We got Mark. Mark's in the house. Big old K5. Right behind it. 51. Sweet. Series 1. Gorgeous. Yeah, so this is Larry and Barbara's Ranchero. They just got this one, I think, just recently. Y Block 57. Very cool.
Yep. Got it.
Gonna see if we can get Robert in?
Robert Maldonado,
Yeah, I just talked to him. Look at this. Nice setup here. So yeah, we got a pretty good group. Across the way. Speaking of which, we got Alley Cat right here. What's up, Ace? Good morning. We got a great group here today, man. We really do.
Some stickers.
A lot of cars. World famous Alley Cat. He's added 3 new Alley Cats to the front of the truck, I mean. Abraham's across the way with his toxic ride. Speaking of Abraham, he's right there. We got Alley Cat right here. Dean Toso, he's here. We got Dean's Stretchamino, Mordor. It's called all kinds of things, but never bad words. And then lastly, at least in our row, is my 60 Calbug right here. So this is my 60. Brought this out. Full dress trunk. Interior's all done. Motor's done. There you go from the tail end. Yeah, buddy. Me and Anthony right there. He just tilted his bed. All right, moving up. We got one more coming in. Robert Maldonado.
One of the best
Abuelas.
paint jobs you will ever see in your life.
This is a first class show winner, top dog in our paddock.